guys, I will be teaching you on how to create a WordPress blog. We are going to create a WordPress blog from scratch. It's going to be a great blog. Now I beg you to follow every step you are going to take in this video. If you follow exact steps, I assure you that you end up creating a real and a professional blog for yourself. Firstly, if you have not installed the WordPress app, go to Play Store. Go to Play Store, search for WordPress. Search for WordPress app. Search for WordPress app. You see the WordPress app. You see I've downloaded mine. You just click install. It will install the app to your phone. Once it is installed, you go to your applications, click on it. You click on WordPress and open it. Yes, once you open it, you see a page like this. Say welcome to the most popular website builder. You see all this. It has so many things you can do with these applications. So you just click login or sign up with WordPress.com. Now you have to create an account. Say continue with Google. For me, I've already created an account, but I'm going to teach you how to start everything from scratch. Now you choose the account you wish to open it with. To load all the stuffs. Now this is what it's going to show. We use this email to create a new WordPress.com account, and you say create. It's going to sign up with this your Google account. Now this where you are going to edit one or two stuff, edit your display name. You can decide to add anything, but let's use, let me use blog tutor. And here use daily blog tutor. See, there are suggestions here. Let me use daily blog tutor. So that will be great. You click on save and click done. Now it will update your account. Now the next step is to create a WordPress.com site. Now as a beginner, this is the one you are going to choose to create a WordPress.com site. Later on, when you have been conversant with the WordPress site, then you need to add a self-hosted site. But for now, you create a WordPress.com site. Now you're going to choose the design you want, how your homepage will look like. And you choose your favorite homepage. Choose blog. It is still loading. You can decide to choose about anything, splash, anything like splash. Now these are the stuff you are going to add to your homepage: about, blog, splash, professional. Now this is when you choose or decide how your homepage will look like. If you want it to be a business, you can still click business or choose business, anyone. But for now, let's choose this professional / blog and about. You're going to be creating a blog. Now this is it. This is how your blog will look like. This is how the splash will be like. Let's remove the splash because the splash is like making an intro on an incoming event or upcoming event. So you choose this. Now this is your professional. This is how it will look like. So let's add business to it also. Business is when you talk about the product, what you offer. You should skip. Type a name for your site. Let's use blog tutor. You choose blog tutor. Sorry, blog tutor. If you choose blog tutor, it's going to display website names for you. Now these are what it's going to display for you. Now you can decide to choose anyone depending on the kind of blog you are building. Let's use blog tutor tips because my blog tutor is not available, as you can see here. So use blog tutor tips. Now you choose create site. It's almost done. See, a site has been created. It is loading the preview of the site, so you can see how the site looks like. This is your site. So welcome to your new site. This is how the site looks like. It's just a preview. You click OK. You want to get help getting started, you can choose accept. But for now, this is how to create the site. Next, I'm going to show you what next to do on your site. But let's continue. Say accept. Next will be to customize your site. First of all, you set up your site title. You click here. This is where you add your site title. Choose the site title. You say blog tutor tips. Now, choosing a site title is very important. If you have read my ebook, you understand why it is important to choose a short blog title. Next is to upload a site icon. For now, we are not going to be uploading any site icon because I've not created any. But if you still wish to do it, let's use any image. Click here. You said yes. Let's use one of these images. Let's use this. I think this will go. And you choose it. Click go. You said edit your own page content from the site page. You said go. Yeah, we can do that now. Select pages. Then we need to add an about us to your page. Let's add a page. Let's add about us. About us page. Now this is where you're going to write everything about your blog, what you do, what you offer. Say about us is the title. Then here is the body. Here write we offer blogging tutorials. to beginners. Now we're just using this for tutorial sake, but in your own you need to add more stuff, so you need to make it elaborate. So you click publish. Once you click publish, this is published to your website. It is now added to one of your pages. Now back to what you wanted to do. You can wish to add stuffs to your page or remove stuffs. Click on home page. If you click on home page, this is when you add or remove anything that you don't want to be in your page, or delete them or add anything. Now this say welcome to your new site. You can decide to remove this by clicking it. If you click it, you see this remove block. It will automatically remove this block, but for now we are not removing it. We are leaving it like this. So we just go back. Just go back and continue with our setup. See, not now. Customize your page. So review your site pages. Now we have done this already. These are our pages. Now you may need to add contact us page later, but let's wait for it for now. Say enjoy your finished product. Say go. Click on view site. For now, we have completed the setup of this blog. If you wish to add a contact us page, we do it later. Maybe in the next video you are going to see how to add a contact us page. For now, this is your website. This is how it looks like. This is what your website looks like. So you need to change the theme for this website. You need to change the theme so that all those features which we have added will begin to appear. You click on theme. Now there's this theme I like to use. It is called 2020. Let's search for it. It's a favorite. You can choose any of the themes. You can choose any of the themes. The theme is called 2011. So we search, click on search for 11. You click here, you see activate. Done. Now the theme has been activated. You can go back and view your site. If you view the site again, you notice that the site has changed in its appearance. The site will now have a different look. Now you choose your theme based on the kind of blog you are having. If it's a business blog, there's also a theme for it. And if it's a blog, normal blog, there's also a theme for it. But for now, we are choosing this theme because it is a website, it's a blog, a news blog. So I think this will be nice for your news blog. There are also other themes that are really good, really amazing for your blog. So it's still loading. This is how it looks like. Now this is your website. It has the home, about us, blog. This is it. If you click blog, it will take the visitor directly to where your blog posts are. To take the visitors to your blog posts. So this is it. There's no blog post for now. About us. About us is where you say everything about your page. Now this is it. What you wrote at the beginning. You have blogging tutorials for beginners. You need to add more stuff to your about us page. So this is how your blog will look like. In every mobile phone, this is how it will look like.